We're making avocado toast.
Because toast wasn't good enough before.
So you gotta pile things on.
Keep adding it, keep reinventing it.
Yeah, an avocado. Well, that's certainly a California thing.
And it's delicious and nutritious.
Okay. And this is super easy.
Super easy.
Okay, chef, show us how it's done.
Well, obviously the base ingredient for avocado toast is avocado and toast. This is a whole wheat toast, so it feels a little healthier. We got some avocados, they're ripe, so they're soft to the touch, okay? So they'll blend well. We have lemon juice. This is the juice of one lemon. I squeezed it off. You don't have to measure it, just one lemon juice. We have some red pepper flakes, and this is, you use at your discretion. Some people like a lot, some people like a little. I'm right in the middle. Where are you at?
A little.
Just a little. So we'll just use a little bit today. Some green onions, a salt and pepper mix here, blend, and a little garlic powder. That's all that goes into this, and it's delicious. So just start by slicing the avocado in half. There's no real science to it. So nice cut there. And you can just simply scoop out the inside of the avocado. Let's see if this works. One avocado is usually good for about 2 pieces of toast, I find. Now, a lot of people like to just cube the avocado. I like to mash it, so it's sort of almost like a breakfast guacamole. And so we have 1 avocado here. We have the juice from 1 lemon, and I'm just gonna use about half of that even today because I'm just using 1 avocado. And I like onions, so I'm gonna add 2 to 3 green onions on here. Now I'm just going to chop the base end of it. Okay? And we'll put that in. And then hold on to these stems because we can use them for a little garnish at the end. So you can just slice those up as well. And we'll just put those off to the side. We'll put this in the bowl with the avocado and the lemon juice. And then we just simply add a little salt and pepper. Just sprinkle it in. You do this to taste. Some people like it saltier, some people don't. A little garlic powder, sprinkle in. See, it's not rocket science, that's all you do, okay? So we have avocado, green onion, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and lemon juice. And then we're gonna use this masher. I'm just gonna mash it up. That's it. So again, it's kind of like you're making a guacamole. Now, after you mash it up, this is when I would put in the pepper. I'm just gonna put a little in because Allison likes hers a little more mild. I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. That's it. Now let's put it on the toast. So here's 2 plain pieces of whole wheat toast. Now you can choose to put a little butter on top if you like the flavor. We're going a little healthier, so we're gonna skip that step. I'm just gonna give a generous serving, a generous amount on top of the bread. Both pieces. And we just add a little garnish on top. Spread it around. Lovely. Super simple, super delicious. This is a nutritious breakfast plan. Making healthy adjustments has never been more easy or delicious.
Delicious.
She gets it.
Thanks, Jess, for making this.
Let's try.
It's really light.
It's kind of crazy how good it is with like how little ingredients it has, right?
This is really good.
It's like just get out of the way and let nature do its thing.
Hey, this has been super easy. Please subscribe, like, and comment below, and we'll see you real soon.
Join us for more friend ventures in and out of the kitchen.